Victor is an AudaCity Capital funded Forex trader from the United Kingdom. He began his trading journey in 2018, where his interest in trading began. Victor is now managing a $120,000 account with one of the top 3 prop trading firms in the UK, AudaCity Capital. Back in 2018, a friend introduced Victor to the world of Forex trading. The market initially sparked his interest as a way of making some extra income to supplement his day job. Soon after, Victor began learning how to trade on his own, and then began his education around the Forex market through an academy. With this, he applied his newfound knowledge, left the academy to branch out, and began to make a career out of trading with the help of mentorship by Indralil Mukherjee from Forex Manipulation.
He, was somehow this family friend of mine crossed paths with him on social media. And obviously, so she then got me on board to make contact with him, started to take us through, what he had learnt and how he traded about Forex.
He started trading small within the market and soon saw his profits begin to grow. Now he is one of AudaCity Capital's top traders. Victor has had his fair share of blown accounts and profit loss. However, he kept going, independently educating himself on money management and price action, all while creating his own strategy to excel in the markets. The hard work paid off, as Victor has hit 3 profit targets with AudaCity Capital and is on his way to managing $500,000. Victor joined AudaCity Capital's funded trader program in mid-2020. The program provides profitable traders with a funded account to begin trading, with a live starting account of $15,000.
Apply for a funded program and you're successful and you get that capital from a funded program like AudaCity. What that means is you've got the leverage, which means you can trade, trades using bigger lot sizes, you've got the leverage, you're not constrained by the size of your capital or funds which you put into your own live account.
The account size doubles at every 10% profit target reached, with Victor doubling his account balance 3 times so far. After reaching his first target, Victor began to become more successful and displayed his excellent trading skills by never going below 2% of the drawdown limit with a probability rate of almost 80%. Victor still had some losses on his account. However, the important factor is that he maintained his balance on the account. His excellent risk management skills have allowed him to continue to grow and become a top trader for AudaCity Capital. Funded trader programs such as AudaCity Capital's are paving the new way to success for traders who lack the funding to begin trading successfully. Victor highlights the success that can be achieved with such programs and the benefit of having capital. Victor shows how he has become a prime example of what can be accomplished in the trading industry, with more victory coming his way.